And it has been a long-standing dispute in the waters between the two countries. Just days after NSA Shiv Shankar Menon's visit to Sri Lanka over the fishermen issue, 23 fishermen were again arrested by the Sri Lankan Navy.
They struck at dawn. The Lankan Navy capturing 23 fishermen. Indian fishermen targeted again.
23 Tamil fishermen on 5 boats have been caught by the Lankan Navy and arrested for fishing allegedly in Lankan waters. In an almost immediate reaction, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha wrote to the Prime Minister seeking his intervention into the issue as soon as possible and bring those fishermen back to the country.
The fishermen, in search of better catch, say they accidentally strayed into Lankan waters. It has been a long-standing dispute in the waters between the two countries.
வழக்கம் போல எப்பவும் போல நாங்க போட்ட கடலுக்கு அனுப்புனோம். இன்னைக்கு விடிய காலம் வர வேண்டிய போட்டு நடுக்கடல்ல வந்து இலங்கை நேவி பிடிச்சிட்டு போயிட்டதாக தகவல் சொல்றாங்க. ஆனா எங்க பொம்பளை பிள்ளை எல்லாம் அழுது கிடக்காங்க. அரசாங்கம் வந்து அத வந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு வழி பண்ணி.
As the fishing village waits for news, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister stepping in, writing to the Prime Minister and meeting the National Security Advisor. An appeal she made during a stormy Delhi visit as well.
The National Security Advisor, Mr. Shiv Shankar Menon, was sent by the Prime Minister to meet me before his visit to Sri Lanka. Today, when I met the Prime Minister, the National Security Advisor was also present. So, the issue of Sri Lankan Tamils and our own Indian fishermen, Tamil Nadu fishermen, did figure to a great extent in my discussions with the Prime Minister.
The incident coming just days after the National Security Advisor Shiv Shankar Menon travelled to Sri Lanka to discuss a resolution to this perennial problem. But will India take a firm position on the helpless fishermen? Bureau Report, Times Now.